Another big day. So today we're trading CPI, and currently I'm preparing for CPI to see what actually the direction would be. I've done a few of my analysis on the screen. If you just pay a closer look there, I've got Nasdaq up on the side. I've got USD up there, of course, and USD here at the bottom. Really just want to see what is the best possible direction and what could be happening. But if you look onto the far top there, if you look at the graph at the top, just over my head there, the big screen, just going to 4 hour time frame, and what you can see there is definitely based on 4 hours really, if I just zoom in a bit, you can see that the market really has been on USD has been really refusing to go anywhere lower than current price. This is 4 hours, so if I zoom in there into that price, I'm seeing a buy in USD, I'm seeing a buy on Nasdaq, but I am analyzing a bit more. I really just want to look a bit deeper. Normally I would have my direction confirmation at about 14:15, 14:20, 14:15, 14:10, just about 20 minutes before the news drop. I'll be very confident, but right now I'm about roughly around 60-70% sure what's going to happen. When I go into a lower time frame, I definitely do see the price still doing what I'm predicting. If I just zoom out there, this is obviously 1 hour. Just do this. This is obviously 1 hour. So if I zoom into that price there, just do this. Just by looking at these lows here, if I highlight that high point right on that wick and this low right here, you can definitely see a very powerful movement from the upside, giving us a strong rejection on that low there. So if I put my trend line on that wick going in, it does obviously break out at this point here, confirmation. So the market is definitely not confirming a sell news drop for CPI, but it's not confirmed. I do see a slight possibility of a sell. I do see price breaking a bit lower. So I would say expectations for that sell will be around about this price, like around, it'll push till around about this low here. Then from there, price will go back to normal. But I'm confident in the buy, very confident in the buy, extremely confident. Very confident. I'm actually about to fund my trading account right now. I just want to transfer in. Come onto the screen and have a look here. Here I've already analyzed Nasdaq. So besides just the possibility of CPI and what's going to happen in CPI, just refresh there and you'll see something that I think everybody's probably seeing today on Nasdaq. The Nasdaq obviously has pushed. Just remove the trend line there. Nasdaq obviously has pushed quite aggressively from that high, from the 15,500, pushed very happy to that low there to about 15,288. But ever since it actually reached this low, it has not pushed any lower. And if you look into current price, Nasdaq is literally consistently refusing. It's rejecting that low very heavy. What about a triple bottom there? So even at the current trade right now, even if you're not trading the CPI and you're looking for the next trade, the current trade as we speak, let me just go to 5 minutes. The current trade, definitely the latest trade would be obviously that short buy there. So that'll be the buy right now, which would be obviously heavy in profit. That's the very first buyer position, second buy, third entry, fourth entry, and the take profit would be sitting around about this price. This would be a short buy obviously, to wait for CPI, but definitely a very powerful one. Why am I saying short buy? Because when I go to a bigger time frame and I look back, I still do see price being very confident on its drop. As you can see, it traveled very nice and successful on those lows and highs there, rejecting and giving us very clean sell positions. As you can see, came down, broke price, went back up, giving us a new high on the previous low. Did the same thing, really just came down, broke the price there. As you can see, it breaks the price. If I zoom a bit in, breaks the price, comes back and gives us a high on that, of course. Gives us something like a stop loss hunt. That's the stop loss hunt, so they call it normally. That's for me is a second opportunity, giving us a double top right on the previous low. Goes down, breaks that low, obviously comes back in. So it's been confidently dropping, very easy. But for the fundamental today, the CPI fundamental, I am seeing a very, very clean buy. I'm 70% sure. I haven't got my confirmations as yet. I normally do get them at about 14.10, 14.5. I'd look at price and look at also the news. So do look out, obviously go to investing.com, check out the news as well. Just do research on the fundamental, and then just put that together with technical. You'll be able to easily just be able to tell what the next price could possibly be. Going into 5 minutes, you can see the current trade quite clean. That's a buy right there. So yeah, man, that's my view on CPI today. But yeah, just pay a closer look to it. Do follow up on all the fundamental news releases right before all the inputs on all these apps like investing.com, my forex calendar and all of that, and then just come back to your analysis technically. Really the market, it isn't fundamental, so the market can still really take any direction the news come out to be, but we do have to prepare and do all we can, just make sure that we remain profitable with these kind of news events. CPI does pay aggressively. In fact, for me, I think CPI pays a lot more heavier than the NFP, but obviously NFP also pays really well, so I'm gonna fund my account right now. Just do this. I'm gonna fund my account right now with RCG, so just do that, and then RCG markets, get into my dashboard. So I've got that trading account. I'm funding this specific account here that I've logged into on the top there. That's my trading account that I'm gonna fund. I'm just like preparing, See that, log in. As you can see, I am logging in with RCG market, of course. So only broker I trust best, Evans have been trading with them. So yeah. In there, Face ID, okay. So I've got one account actually that has quite a lot of money that I made a withdrawal like a week ago. So just gonna transfer money from that account and then trade from it. So I'm transferring it to what account is that? Can you see that? So yes, I'll be transferring to this account. So I just need to do internal transfer. Or from to which account? From this account to this, the current one. So I will be trading obviously CPI. I just want to make sure I do my analysis. But yeah, that input I gave you there is quite powerful. Just make sure you do actually follow up on that, and so you know exactly how fundamentals work. Remember that fundamentals aren't technical at all, but you can use a technical analysis and what's been happening to kind of give you a clear direction of what could possibly happen, and given also your fundamental analysis, and yeah, on all these different platforms and all these different apps that allow you actually to be able to know or analyze or foresee the next move. So yeah, it's me. I have I'm just transferring that. See. So yeah, so I've made my deposit. Transferred money into my trading account right there. So I am ready. I'm ready to, I've got quite a lot of trading accounts, as you can see. They're all my live trading accounts right there. Let's see. So there's my current biggest trading account right now is I think it's this one, because all the other ones I really don't have like over 100,000. But in here I think I've got almost just over 400,000. So yeah, this is my current big trading account. I just transferred like 20,000 rand to my other trading account, so I'm gonna trade that with CPI. And yeah, man, and all my other accounts, obviously I am trading gold on the other one, still trading AUD, so I still have kind of obviously some active trades there. So because that's how I do my trading plan really, just so I reach my target quite easy. But yeah, let me see if actually the money has. Go to my MT4. Let's do this. What account is that? There we go. So I've got, what account is that? So yeah, I funded my account and I'm ready to rock and roll. And on gold, if the index is pushing, is gonna buy the way I see it, should not change direction, then gold will sink, but obviously if the market goes a different direction, then if Nasdaq goes a different direction and Diamond 30, then gold will shoot skyrocket. So let's just keep analyzing. I'm spending the next couple of hours really just trying to see the next possible move. But yeah, let's keep making money. I'm funded. Hope what I've shared with you and and how trade CPI will help you catch the event live today. And let's keep chopping it. This is CPI preparations. I'll definitely make a video about the outcome and my trades after this. So let's prepare and let's see. Let's wait for the results. Look, like I said, I'm seeing a 70% buy, but that price can still change. And I want to have any time to really upload a possible change of direction. If I do see that, look, no, the market might take a different direction, I want to have time to upload that. But I will definitely post the results, but this is my input really. So I'm not 100% sure on the buy, neither am I 100% sure on the sell. But I'm saying 60% buy, 40% sell. But I'm going to be more accurate at about 2 o'clock. So let's get to it. I hope everybody has a profitable CPI. Let's keep chopping.